makiria ma kiumia kimwe kihituku niguo mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga ari kaunti-ini ya Wajir atumukire ciugo ikoretwo igikuirwo ni ugwati kuri urumwe wa bururi na ona thengia yake gucunga muhera thiku nyinyi thutha ucio ari kaunti-ini ya Kisumu. Kamiti ya urumwe na wiguano bururi-ini yugite ni yetereire Odinga wabici-ini ciayo gutheria miario ino. Makiaria mare kaunti-ini ya Nakuru, kamishina area Kamiti no Dorcas Kidogo na Brazil Fara maugite gutire muteti uri iguru ria watho makinyereria ati Kamiti no iri sheba kuhitana na ciiko cia ucogeri wa ngui.
And nobody is above the law, as you asked. We also summoned Raila Odinga, as he mentioned, the madoadoa thing in Kisumu and Wajir. So nobody will be a sacred cow in this fight, because at the end of the day, they must know that what they are doing is going to burn this country.
We've summoned him and we know he's supposed to come. We've given him a date, so we are waiting for that day.
Area ya mariti hindi ya gikaro na maabitha ugitiri kuma kaunti cia Nakuru na Narok iteminiri ya gutigirira maabitha ugitiri mari na uge na uhoti wa kuhitana ciiko cia ucogeri wa ngui.
They are our stakeholder number one in maintaining peace and order in the country, and issues of hate speech and ethnic incitement and contempt, they are the ones who help us prosecute and deal with these people who will be found violating the law of hate speech.
We hope and believe that this time round, it will not degenerate into violence of any nature, because we shall be firmly dealing with all manner of hate speech.
Ne mucemanio uhandikite riri gukoretwo na ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugitiri mihaka-ini ya kaunti ici cieri. Kamishina ya makiuga iguru ria guthaitira githurano kiri na thayu mari sheba gutigirira ngai haici cia mahinda kwa mahinda ni ciahuka. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe wa Maina.